she spent without a word. Two hearts torn by desire, two voices left unheard. A TV address, what cost when love and trust are lost? They broke the sacred law, put self upon the throne. Anger, pride, and silence, each sin they made their own. But deeper still the wound is turning from the one. Yet mercy calls them near to grace that heals the soul. The cross bears every failure and makes the broken whole. For our sake he became sin, so we might rise again. Forgiveness finds its voice in hearts that now confess. Reconciled through Jesus, they walk in righteousness, no longer ruled by things, but love the King of Kings.